Hello, so today we're gonna learn how to get creative social media marketing post ideas in seconds just with a couple of clicks. We will use Aether for this. So let's see how it works. Let's go to the app and generate a campaign. Let's generate a campaign for 9gag because like everybody loves memes. Memeses. So yeah, let's choose spicy creativity, click generate, and let's see what happens. And here, let's go straight to the SMM section. And here we can see some like 4 tabs: Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, and TikTok. So these are the social media you can get ideas for. And let's scroll to the Facebook promo post ideas. Here we can see some ideas that could help 9gag to promote the content on Facebook. So like Adulting 101, memes that get us through the day. Is your newsfeed a total disaster? We've got the cure. It's memes. Meme therapy while laughing is actually good for your health. 9gag's meme of the week. VFH survival guide. Take a friend who needs this. So we can see that there are a lot of ready-to-use content topic ideas, like the ultimate procrastination tool. I love this. That both tell about the product but also entertain and educate. And we've got it just like in a couple of seconds and just with a couple of clicks. And here, let's see what we can get for Instagram. And for example, let's choose crazy level of creativity. So here we can see some ideas like memify your Monday, turn that grump upside down, adulting fails, is your brain a meme generator, find out which meme perfectly describes your personality. So we can see that there are at least 20 great engaging content ideas that you can also use for your brand. Like right now we're generating for 9gag, but if you are on, I don't know, a bookshop or a sports shop or a startup, Aether can deliver these content ideas tailored to your product. And let's explore TikTok, for example, as well. And for TikTok, we can see the whole content strategy with a lot of content ideas and rubrics, so which you can use in your marketing, like meme explainer, for example, decoding 10 memes, the evolution of a meme, like memology 101, so more like intellectual, if I can say, angle, or for example, relatable life hacks, procrastination perfection, adulting fails, budgeting 101, ramen recipes for the meme generation, stuff like this. Relationship goals when your partner understands your meme addiction. I love this, funny. Yeah, so you can also get a lot of content ideas for TikTok using Aether, and the same works for LinkedIn. It works pretty similar, but I think we will get more like work-related memes because, yeah, LinkedIn is a professional social media. But in a nutshell, you can get a lot of great ideas just doing some clicks, and instead of playing ping pong with ChatGPT or thinking, brainstorming, you can just use the outputs from Aether to save some time and get better social media engagement. So yeah, check this out for your product. Subscribe, like, and stay in the loop for more videos which on Aether and marketing in general. Cheers.